What if reality isn't broken, but incomplete? Scientists understand gravity, atoms, even black holes yet. There are things happening right now that science can't fully explain. Not theories, not myths. Real, documented glitches in our reality. And once you hear them, you'll never see the world the same way again. First up, déjà vu. The memory that never happened. You know the feeling. You've been here before. Same place, same moment, same sensation, but you haven't. Scientists agree déjà vu is a real phenomenon, but they can't agree on why it happens. Some may think it's a memory timing error, where your brain fires the present moment into your long-term memory a split second too early. Others believe your brain is constantly predicting the future, milliseconds ahead, and sometimes it confuses that prediction for a memory. The terrifying part, your brain cannot tell the difference between a real memory and a fake one, as long as it feels real. So when déjà vu happens, is it just a glitch, or is it proof that your brain actually saw something coming? Next, your brain can create pain without any injury. People have felt excruciating burns without heat, deep cuts without a single wound, and even phantom limb pain in arms or legs that are no longer there. Pain is supposed to be a protective mechanism, a warning system, but science has proven something deeply disturbing. Pain doesn't come from your body. It comes from your brain. Your brain interprets signals and decides whether you should feel pain, which means your reality, what you physically feel, can be completely fabricated by your own mind. If pain can be fake, what else is your brain lying to you about? Let's talk about time. People who survive terrifying accidents almost always report the same thing. Everything slowed down. Car crashes, explosions, lung falls in. These moments, time seems to stretch. Scientists tested this phenomenon and found that time does not actually slow down externally. Instead, in moments of extreme danger, your brain enters a hyperprocessing mode. It starts recording significantly more data per second, capturing every detail with incredible precision. When you replay that memory later, it feels longer because there's so much more information packed into it. This means your perception of time isn't fixed, it's flexible. Reality didn't change, you did. Now for one of the most powerful glitches, the placebo effect. Patients have recovered from chronic pain, seen tumors shrink, and even had symptoms of Parkinson's disease improve, all by using fake medicine, like a simple sugar pill. The placebo effect isn't just about feeling better. It causes measurable, biological changes in the body. Your belief alone can trigger your brain to release its own powerful healing chemicals, like endorphins and dopamine. It's a stunning example of mind over matter, but it raises a chilling question. If a positive belief can heal you, can a negative belief make you sick? Where does that leave the line between your mind and reality? Here's a strange one. You have never, ever seen your real face. Think about it. Every time you look in a mirror, you see a reversed image. Every photograph freezes you in a single, two-dimensional moment. Studies have shown that while your brain recognizes your face, most people struggle to accurately identify their own true reflection from a non-reversed image. You don't actually know what you look like to others. You only know a version of yourself. This means the person you think you are, the face you see every day, may not be the person the rest of the world sees at all. Let's go deeper into memory. Psychologists have proven they can implant false memories into people's minds. Not just ideas, but rich, detailed memories of events that never happened. In experiments, people have been made to remember committing crimes they didn't commit, witnessing events that never took place, and even having childhood moments that are completely fabricated. Your brain doesn't store reality like a video camera. It stores stories, and it constantly edits, revises, and updates those stories based on new information and suggestions. So, take a moment and ask yourself, how much of your past actually happened? What about shared experiences? Across different countries, cultures, and languages, people report experiencing the same types of hallucinations. From the shadow figures seen in sleep paralysis to the feeling of a distinct presence in an empty room. These experiences follow unnervingly similar patterns. Science can explain the mechanics of a hallucination, a misfiring in the brain. but it cannot explain why so many different people's brains misfire in the exact same way. If hallucinations are just random neurological noise, why do they follow predictable scripts? Is it a glitch in our collective software? And then there's the biggest mystery of all: consciousness itself. Science can map every inch of the brain. We can track the firing of neurons and measure electrical signals. A conscious neo-subjective awareness, the feeling of being used, still has no scientific definition. No one knows where it comes from or what it is. You are aware that you are alive, thinking, and feeling. But science cannot explain why awareness exists at all. Is consciousness produced by the brain, like a byproduct of its complexity? Or is the brain more like an antenna, receiving consciousness from somewhere else? That fundamental question remains completely unanswered. Finally, we arrive at the weirdest glitch, straight from the world of quantum physics. In experiments, particles like electrons behave differently when they are being observed. When unobserved, a particle can exist in multiple places or states at once, a cloud of possibilities. But the moment it's measured or observed, it chooses a single, definite state. This isn't a theory, it's a repeatedly measured scientific fact. This leads to a profoundly disturbing idea. Reality doesn't fully lock into place until something or someone is watching it. So, maybe reality isn't broken. Maybe it's just unfinished, filtered, interpreted. Be your brain. If this video made you question even one thing you thought was normal, then you're exactly where you should be. Subscribe for more mind-bending facts. Like this video if it changed how you see reality. And always stay curious, because the world is far, far stranger than it looks.